Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EMAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, this thing was a total gap and trap, and now it's just a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? But let's first just map out the gap and trap in case maybe you're new to charts. What does that even mean? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right here, and then this morning, the price opened right there. So up higher than where it was, hence a gap up. And then after the price opened up, this price moved and moved and moved and moved and moved and got up here, and you got to think that there were poor souls that were buying up around that area. And then after that, it was just all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So hence the gap and trap right there. But now it just becomes a matter of, all right, is this thing going to turn into a total pump and dump? And the main level and the key level of support that I would definitely consider a do or die level going into next week would be right here at 75 cents. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price continues to pull back, gets down to 75 cents, and then just continues on down through there. At that point, I mean, what would that be doing? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that do stuff like this, where you have an awesome move to the upside. I mean, that was a huge move. But to have a huge move, all of a sudden go right back to where it was, I mean, that is the epitome of a pump and dump. Once again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but that is why that 75-cent mark is very important. In the event the price tries to bounce back to the upside, initial level of resistance to watch closely will be right up there around the $1.05 mark. So $1.05, public enemy number one with any sort of attempted movement back to the upside. But overall, yeah, chart's looking pretty shaky right now, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.